Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a October 2022 11 variant question number 9. Okay, the question is what function f and g both are defined x belong to real number, and we have given one power 2 quadratic equation. Second quadratic equation is saying convert, this is a special form, power 2 is called completing square form. So I'm doing a part. So he asked about f of x. So let's try to do it. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. X to power 2 negative 4x plus 9. I've copied from here. So first rule number 1. If you have any number before x square, we take common out. And we need here plus 1, plus 1. But if luckily I have plus 1 already, so first step, no need to do. Just write these two terms with like this, and 9 with a gap. And what is a half of this 4? Half of 4 give you 2, and take square of 2, and 1 times square of 2 add, and 1 times square of 2 subtract. And these three terms will combine. And what is method of combining? Under power 2, whatever come here as it is, this come here as it is, this sign, if negative, so negative, if positive, so positive. So x minus 2, whereas this is negative 4 and plus 5, 9 give us plus 5. Well, I hope so. First, completing square form is very, very clear. And now, students, I'm going for B part. B part is saying do same job with this, but make sure we need this special form. So no problem. I'm going to do the same what he is demanding from us. 2x squared plus 4x plus 12. Don't take, okay, I think you can do it because there's a full common. So I think I can take 2 common. This is 2 outside. I will take 2 common from all 3 values. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. After this, what is next plan? I have to completing square inside. The process I have done it here, same here inside. Do have a plus 1 here? Yes, available. Nothing to do with this. So first terms copy. 6 with a gap. And what is half of this number? Half of this number is 1. Take square of 1 become this, and 1 square add, and 1 square subtract. And as you know, so these 3 terms will combine, will come in power 2. This x come here, this 1 comes here. If this plus sign, so I will write here plus sign. I believe clear. And negative 1 and plus 6 will give us plus 5. And don't open it. Normally student multiply and multiply. But in this particular question, we no need to multiply. Okay, so let's see. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We have done both completely. So 1 mark, 3 marks gained. Describe 2 transformation that has been combined to form f of x to g of x. It means this is my parent function, and I will go on this function. So let's see how we can do it. This is my parent function. I have to transform on it. So all of you attentive, please. For a while, I forget this number outside. So now I have to check it how I'm getting this one. So you can see, student, this plus 5, no change. And this value converted to this value. But how it has happened? So let me tell you one thing. Whenever you do translation along x-axis, right or left, what is basic criteria? This is negative is fixed. If I have it, for example, 2 right side, I say plus 2. If I go 3 left side, so I write x negative and negative 3. Make sure this negative sign is a fix or formula fix. So if it's going right side, so I write plus 2, left side, so I write negative 3. So this criteria is all you already aware with this. So now, first of all, I will write parent function here as it is. So I am writing f of x as it is without any change. So I am writing a special format, x minus plus 2 I'm writing, You may ask, so why you write like this? So just sake of understanding this or this, no change at all. But look at here, students. So what I have to do with this, so I can get this answer. Okay, so wait a minute. So first of all, this copy, negative copy, but here I'm writing, so this plus 2 I copy as well. Look, everything. But now what to write here? So I must get this answer. I believe if I write negative 3. So what I will get from here? Negative 1. And negative 1, I got a plus 1. I think you people understanding very well. So I can guess from here that if what is this negative 3 means? This negative 3 means the object is moving left hand side, 3 boxes. So if it means this negative 3 express how? So I can say that it is a translation. Let me write first of all, translation by column vector negative 3, 0. Reason is very, very clear because it is going left side. That is why. And now, students, if I solve it, check it. This I got a negative 1. Okay, I show step by step so you may understand. And this I got x plus 1 whole square plus 5. Now see, this is a totally match. Now one thing is missing, and what is that missing? How I can get this? What is this multiplying? If you remember, if I multiply outside the whole equation, like f of x, if I multiply, or no, leave it f(x), I change and give another number. P of x, if I say 2 times to P of x, what this means, this 2 representing what, students? This 2 representing stretching parallel to y-axis scale factor double. Okay, so I believe you understand very well. Now I'm writing final statement, students, and finally I'm writing this here. First of all, I'm doing translation by column vector this. This is a number 1. And if I multiply whole equation with the 2, students, what happens? So I will get my plan. What was missing? Hold on. So let me write it here. So this becomes g of x. So f of x turned to be g of x, which match. So this is what I will write finally here. It is called stretch number 1, number 2. So stretch, R-E-T-C, stretch parallel to y-axis, by stretch factor, by stretch factor of double, 2 times. I believe the point is very clear, and he was asking us to find the 2 transmissions. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, I believe the point is very clear and the question is completely